at the highest altitude. We built our biggest stage yet. Darts Live Open Malaysia 2025 united players from across Asia, chasing glory, bringing their fire. The air was charged with intensity as passion, precision met on one ground.
Darts Live Open 2025 Malaysia and
Super League Asia Championship
Game On!
看这么大的 hall， 120架机器，天哪！还有分！
Genting is really special and everyone's coming here, they stay here together, they dine in together, the vibes is different, the energy is different. We see a lot of potential, especially in younger generations competing such a big stage. That's why we are putting a lot of effort. There will be a continuous growth for everybody. I hope to see you next year.
呢個比賽咧喺以前咧係不存在嘅，直到近年咧各個亞洲地區咧都開始重視青訓。
呢3日嘅比賽都發現咗 U22裏邊咧嘅大家都越嚟越進步啦，越嚟越勁啦。
喺唔同嘅標手可以令到我更加進步，學到更多嘢。
盡你嘅所能去進步，去銜接打公開席組別。
I'm also one of the team in SLAC. We will be facing a lot of strong team, Malaysia Dart Bowling.